Good morning, guys. Today is a beautiful Saturday, and finally, my husband and I we are putting this together, our chicken coop, and then after that, we are gonna install it somewhere here in our yard.
Good. Now you got one more here in the bottom. Good.
Two more?
Nope. Yeah, that should be it for right this second. On the inside, those are the roosting bars.
Just gonna put this here.
Yeah.
This is where they're gonna plant.
Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty much it. As far as the chicken coop, this is it. Yeah. It's like that. A little bit more. Right in there.
Like this or like that?
balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Please stay with me. You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around, I've been broken. Glad you came, glad you came.
Hi, I want to show you what Mama is doing.
Last one.
Don't scoot anymore.
So this is the last one, guys. We're installing the doorknobs here. The lock. There you go.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's it.
I kept our photos, I just hid them away. So when I'm over you, I'll look and say, don't be sad that it's over, just
Guys, pitas tayo ng lettuce. This one, and this one, this one here, a bit here. Here, so meron tayo ditong tortilla wrap, and then yung chicken na pinirito ko kagabi. So yan, lagay natin dyan.
Right.
Mustard, peppers.
Right.
move on, I won't waste any time thinking about what could have been but never really was. More than a flame that flickered in the night. We're not young forever, but when we were together, time slowed down.
Yan guys, tapos na yung ating chicken wrap. Breakfast, lunch ni Mr. Ba't ayaw mo tumayo?
Like this. Oh, I know that it's over, 'cause I'm different and you're colder. Well, we're not young forever, but when we were together, time slowed down. We didn't have forever, but I didn't mind whenever you were around.
I'll let you know.
Guess I didn't know it.
Right, man.
Hannah's here. Hi. Hi, Hannah. Thank you. You okay? Come here. Oh, you have lots of bottles. Here. Give it to me. Alright. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You okay?